All right, now no surprises that politics has already begun over the issue. While Prime Minister assured India, politicians like Mehbooba Mufti seems to not to be very happy with India's preemptive strikes in Pakistan.
मैं देशवासियों को विश्वास दिलाता हूं कि देश सुरक्षित हाथों में है।
Hours after India conducted the aerial strike on Jaish-e-Mohammed's training camp in Pakistan's Balakot. Here was Prime Minister Modi in Rajasthan's Churu, reassuring the nation.
सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा। मैं देश नहीं रुकने दूंगा। मैं देश नहीं झुकने दूंगा।
He cited his campaign slogan of 2014.
मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं झुकने दूंगा, सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की।
The message delivered again just months before elections, without any direct reference to the air raid on terror camps in Balakot.
आपका ये प्रधान सेवक ये काम इसलिए कर पा रहा है क्योंकि हमारे लिए खुद से बड़ा दल है और दल से भी बड़ा देश है।
Just an hour ago, he was in Delhi, chairing a key meeting of the Cabinet Committee on Security to take stock of the situation. National Security Advisor Ajit Doval briefed the committee. Sources in the government tell India Today, Doval informed the panel that the strike had wiped out 25 top Jaish commanders. He also listed the reasons for picking Balakot. The camp apparently was built with the help of the Pakistan Army and ISI and was where the dastardly Pulwama attack was planned. Doval said the facility had firing ranges, explosive testing facilities, air-conditioned offices for trainers, barracks for terror recruits and even recreation centers and a swimming pool. Later, Home Minister Rajnath Singh and Foreign Minister Sushma Swaraj briefed the opposition. In a rare show of unity, the opposition rallied behind the government.
Air Force के हमारे जो पायलट हैं, उनको हम बधाई देते हैं।
I welcome today's decision. I stand with the government and with the Indian Air Force.
We all should salute our Air Force for their valor, for their capacity.
I feel proud about Indian Air Force, where they have taken action.
In the valley, former J&K Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti, however, was not impressed. Decrying the mass hysteria on Twitter, Mehbooba said sharing the prospect of war was disconcerting.
In going after terror outfits in Pakistan, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has gone where no other Indian Prime Minister has gone before. And coming right before the elections, this bombing of Jaish camps in Pakistan is bound to become an election issue. The BJP will of course hope that this is good enough to win them another term. Paulomi Saha in Delhi for India Today.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.